David Blaine is arguably the most famous illusionist in the world, along with the likes of legends like Houdini and David Copperfield. What most people don't know is that he's also an experienced endurance artist and extreme performer. Towards the end of August, as I was finishing the Logan Paul video, I found out he was going to have his biggest stunt ever, called Ascension. Meaning it would literally ascend with a bunch of balloons and go floating all the way up into the sky. So as a fellow adrenaline addict, I just knew we had to be there. So I called up my friend Richard, and in no time we were ready to go. However, as per every video on this channel, there are so many things that could go wrong. They arrest us.
Hey, so do me a favor. So, yes.
They find some sort of way to stop us. We're doing our best, and hopefully we're gonna be able to make it. I mean, without any further ado, let the adventure begin. After 20 minutes into our journey, something happened.
Something's wrong with my car.
What happened?
I don't know what's going on. My car won't start.
We're literally 20 minutes in and the car will not start. After calling auto insurance, changing the battery, we were finally ready to go again. Better here than like some other odd place in Arizona.
In the middle of nowhere, Death Valley.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Careful. There's a freaking car. Oh my god.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
He's running.
I'm here.
Huh. Dude, that was under 2 minutes.
The majority of the time I was peeing, honestly.
We are ready to go.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Las Vegas.
Woo!
Las Vegas. Las Vegas.
Dude, the Eiffel Tower! No way!
It's so cool. As an Italian guy, I always dreamed about going to Las Vegas. Now actually being here is better than what I ever dreamed about. It's an insane place. There are lights everywhere. There is music everywhere. Well, how do you feel about the David Blaine thing?
I hope we can find the place because, like, I was hoping we could ask locals, but that's not gonna happen because we're arriving at 10 o'clock at night.
I mean, it might happen, just at 10 o'clock at night.
Hey there, do you know a guy named David Blaine? We're just like here to see him.
Anyways, we'll bring you along, we'll get some Chipotle, and I'll see you later.
David Blaine, we're coming for you.
This is it, baby. After a giant burrito and a quick stop in Vegas, we were ready to go back on the road. Now, are you ready for a crazy coincidence? Literally 3 hours after saying this,
Did we get pulled over by a cop? Excuse me, sir, what are you doing? Making a video.
Richard got so excited by the upcoming event that he decided to step on the pedal a little bit too much. And then...
Hey. What's up, dude? Hey.
Wow, it's almost expired, dude. Oh, you can go back to your NASCAR speed, is that a deal?
Yes, I thought it was faster than that. I apologize for that.
You guys be safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
So, it's midnight and we just made it. This is where we're staying right now, in sunny Page, Arizona. As we make it into our hotel, let me tell you about our situation. After driving 10 hours through 4 different states, we had no idea where the event was gonna be. There was no information on the internet, there was nobody on the street that we could ask. And therefore, we decided to go to sleep and wake up early so that we could make a plan in the morning. That's it for tonight, thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Good night, baby.
And hasta la pasta.
Hey guys, it's 5:20 a.m. Going through YouTube comments, there was one comment that mentioned that the place in which David Blaine was recording his latest video was the Horseshoe Bend. So we're gonna go there. 99% it's probably gonna be there just because it's a beautiful place. David Blaine probably wants that sort of background. And just like that, that's it. There are cars there.
Oh my god, this is actually happening.
With only a few minutes before the beginning of the event, we approached the security guard at the gate.
Have you ever been here before?
Nope.
You're gonna put this receipt on the dashboard in front of you, okay? Thank you.
And incredibly, she let us in. Hopefully it's actually the right place, but we think it is just because there are cars and there are people.
And what I want to do is I want to grab that rig of balloons and I want to go floating all...
Wait a moment. This looks like a hangar.
So, it's at the airport. We had to head back. I see the balloons.
We're walking towards there. We're gonna see how close we can actually get. I think that we're gonna get close. I'm not sure how close that's gonna be. Here's a big fence. It doesn't look too easy to actually enter.
Oh, what?
It is open. Oh my god. Dude.
No way.
Dude, what is going on? Why is the airport open?
That I don't know.
Dude. What is actually going on out here? Dude, we're literally in the airport by ourselves. Right
I just saw somebody look at us.
like the guy on the...
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well.
This is nervous. I don't know how I feel about this.
Let's take a look. Just a quick look.
Sketched out, but Elia's a bit like, oh yeah, we're fine. And I'm like, I don't know how I feel.
We are literally 50 feet away, and technically there is no barrier.
We could make a run for it.
We started walking towards the event, and incredibly, nobody stopped us in the distance. We started creating relationships with other plane owners that apparently were allowed into the airport. And with our confidence restored, we got closer and closer to the lounge. We are about 20 minutes out from the actual flight happening. Honestly, it's been an insane journey to get all the way here. At this point, our goal had been achieved, and there was nothing left apart from enjoying the stunt from David Blaine himself.
Put it right there. Have one sip of water. Let me get it. One.
Dude, he's getting ready. Oh man. Yeah, look, they're moving him.
Let's get down the stairs first. ATC, we're clear. You guys got me.
Woo! Look, they're holding him. He's floating already. I can't believe this is happening. Look at him. See him floating?
Wait, if you look right into the live stream, you see two rookies from Los Angeles who definitely don't have a plane. And so from our privileged vantage point, we watch the Ascension again.
Now.
We're not letting him go yet, guys. Shooting McLean.
Love you.
I got him. I'll see you soon.
Yeah.
Are we good to go? Love you. That's gonna take me up. Just be ready to go. Will you spin me?
Oh my god, dude. He's right above us.
We're watching the live stream right now, and they are commentating the live stream right behind of us, like as we speak. Like they are literally creating it. There you go, you see? We are so close. We're 300 feet away from him actually parachuting. Literally you can feel the tension coming up from both people watching here, but also like the whole preparation crew over there.
24,000 feet.
Okay, so we just got the signal. He's gonna jump whenever he's comfortable, so it might be any moment right now.
It's probably like a thing over there.
Woo! Jumped?
Ooh! He let go?
Wow! Wow!
Look at the crowd. Look at David Blaine right now is coming down, and he's coming down slowly. He's at 2,000 feet. He's soon to get here, land here. Yeah! Woo! He's landed! Yeah! Oh! Wow! Yeah!
Wow! That was awesome!
That's my guess. Look at that. That is David Blaine coming back. Look at that. After being a part of this beautiful stunt, meeting MKBHD, cliff jumping in Lake Powell, and driving through beautiful landscapes, our Arizona adventure came to an ending.
Oh wait, you know what that means? Hey Google! Play Viva Vegas by Elvis Presley.
As we made our way back to Nevada, our closing thoughts go to David Blaine for inspiring us to do the impossible despite of uncertainty. The Arizona adventure was absolutely insane, and so are the next few videos that are coming up. So please make sure to subscribe and like the video so that I can make more videos like this going forward. If you're interested into learning how to grow on YouTube, I am sharing my strategy on how I plan on growing on YouTube on my Facebook group and within a guide that I will upload in the description when it's ready. Right now it's not, so it's gonna say coming soon. So download it for free. Before you go, I have to present you somebody. This is my friend and assistant, Danny. Come in. We're gonna cut this. It's all good.
Okay, so
Take your time.
So this is Danny. Danny.
Hello. Hi guys.
He's gonna help me making the next few videos, and he's gonna be definitely in the next videos coming forward. Any last words?
Like and subscribe. Join us for this journey. We're gonna do big things.